Hi friends, today I'm sharing a quick update and some news. So as many of you know, I have been recovering from surgery. I actually had to have my Achilles tendon repaired. It was a long time coming. I think I'm gonna make a separate video on that for anyone out there who is interested. This is more of an update, kind of how I'm doing, what's going on, and some things coming up here on the channel I want to share with you guys that I'm really excited about. So many of you know I just participated in the DIY mystery box challenge, and that was a lot of fun. I am going to be doing some more DIYs here. I have some stuff on hand I've been wanting to tackle, and then I am going to be doing some projects that I've wanted to do forever, some thrift flips, doing things that I've had in my mind and no time to do them. Now I'm home more than ever, but something that I am really interested in doing is something I'm calling Best Buys. So what I'm gonna do is bring you the best buys at different retailers for different seasons. You guys know I'm kind of a thrifty shopper, and I wanna cut out all of the research and legwork and just bring you guys the best deals out there. So I've already begun working on the first one, which is going to be a Target dupes video. I think you guys are gonna really enjoy it, and I am so excited to bring it to you. It's something I had a lot of fun making, so that's coming up. Something else I'm gonna be doing is a Q&A. I know a lot of you are new here. Welcome, I'm happy to have you. I hope you enjoy it here. So I try and do these about every year or so, and it's been at least a year. So I would love to hear if you have any questions for me, either about me, about my home, my decor, whatever it is, leave them down below, and I will be putting together a Q&A for you guys in the coming weeks. But recovery is going well now. It was bumpy, only because I ran into some severe claustrophobia. So when you have your Achilles repaired, you have to be casted, and I did okay for 2 weeks. And at the 2-week mark, I wasn't in pain, but I was going out of my mind by feeling trapped. It felt like horrible. It was just awful. So I called my doctor. I was scheduled to go in on a Thursday, and instead he had me come in on a Monday. And they were gonna take off my cast anyways that day, look at the stitches, take out the stitches, and reapply a cast. And so instead he just did that on a Monday instead of a Thursday. It was actually his PA, and she said it looks great, and it really did. It looked better than I thought. It's quite gnarly incision on the back of my heel, but it's healing wonderfully. And she took out the stitches, and we had a little talk about, we're gonna pretend that this air cast or walking boot is a real cast, and we're not gonna have any weight bearing on it. And if you do that, I will let you have your wish. And it's been such a godsend because I can open it up just for some air when I'm feeling really kind of hot, which is like in the evening, you know, after a long day. And yeah, I'm so much happier. I have not really been in pain at all. It was so painful and in bad shape before the surgery. It was long overdue. So really, surgical pain, I haven't had any. Had some stomach issues, but that's because they gave me anesthetics and all kinds of narcotics and stuff that I'm not used to. So I'm doing well. I am up and about. Hubby's taking me out at least once a week, being a complete sweetheart, and the family's helping out. We actually have our oldest and his fiance coming to visit. Sounds like the teenagers are making popcorn. I think it's actually a smoothie. I don't even know if you guys can hear that. She might be done now. So we're excited to have our oldest and our soon-to-be daughter-in-law out. They're gonna be out for over a week, so 8 days. We're going to really enjoy visiting with them and just getting some projects done around the house. I'm gonna be sharing those. I have been working on a kitchen video. I started that even before surgery. So I've just got to edit that and then share that with you guys. It's all organizing and how I'm organizing my kitchen. It's a complete pantry rehaul. It was such a mess from the move. And yeah, I'm looking forward to the spring here in Texas. It'll be our first spring in Texas. I know that there's a lot of bluebonnets that we're looking forward to seeing and just experiencing the weather before it gets really hot and muggy again. But yeah, we're happy to be here. I am doing well. I have a little knee scooter that's getting me around. I've been out to church. I've been out to eat with my husband. So things are coming along. I only have a few more weeks, 3 or 4, of non-weight bearing, and then I can go ahead and start putting some weight on my foot. And at that point, I will be happy. I'll be able to do a little bit more independently and just bring you guys along for the ride. So I'm doing well. Thanks for all the wishes and all of the little comments over on Instagram. And yeah, look forward to seeing you guys soon this week with a few more videos. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.